This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Lexus IS 250, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It has a 2.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, direct injection, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Not to mention that this Lexus qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.